Next up, the Art Loft Key in G3. If I open up the map on the new Vondel map, scrolling into the G3 section up here, you'll find a gas station, and directly southwest of it, this little section here. Right here is where the key should be. So there's a spawn point right next to it, making it easy to access. Now this big art gallery here may be a bit scary to get into. Now we'll go ahead and enter this building here. Do note that there are a few AI outside, though they're usually across the street. We'll enter this section here, and once inside we need to navigate to the top of the elevator shaft. So all the way up to floor number 3, you'll find the elevator shaft, and right across from it we find the Art Center Loft Key door here, number 9. You can get here through the use of the elevator shaft here as well, and there is quite easy roof access. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!